Hello, friends. My name is Bathy and welcome to my tiny bathroom world. It's so nice to meet you. Today, we are going on an adventure to learn all about the amazing things you can find in a bathroom. Are you ready to explore with me? Let's get started. First up, let's look at what we use to get all clean and fresh. Look over here. This is soap. We use soap to wash our hands and body. Can you say soap? That's right, soap. Good job. And next to the soap, we have shampoo. We use shampoo to wash our hair and make it shiny. Say it with me. Shampoo. Excellent. After our wash, we need something soft to dry ourselves. This is a towel. A nice, fluffy towel. Can you say towel? Fantastic. Okay, let's say them one more time together. Ready? Soap. Shampoo, towel. Now let's play a pointing game. What is this? Yes, it's shampoo. And this? That's right, a towel. You're doing so well. And this one? Right again. It's soap. You are doing great. Now let's see what else we have. This is a toothbrush. We use it to keep our teeth clean and healthy. Let's all say toothbrush. Great. Now we put toothpaste on our toothbrush. This is toothpaste. Say it with me. Toothpaste. Wonderful. And where do we spit the toothpaste out? In the sink. This big bowl is the sink. Now let's play our pointing game again. What is this? Yes, a toothbrush. And what is this? That's right. Toothpaste. We need it to keep our teeth nice and white. And this one? Right again. A sink. You guys are superstars. Let's move on to the bigger things in my bathroom. Wow, look at this. This is a bathtub. It's where we can take a nice, relaxing bath with lots of bubbles. Can you say bathtub? Awesome! And right above it, this is a shower. The water comes down like rain in a shower. Let's say it together. Shower. Great job. And to turn the water on and off, we use this. This is a faucet. Faucets help us control the water. Can you say faucet? You're a natural. Okay, one more time for this group. What is this? A bathtub. Correct. So relaxing. Look at that little bubble. And this, what is this? It's a shower. Yes, what is this called? Oh yes, it's a faucet. Great job, amazing. You know so many words now. It's time for a little quiz to see what you remember. Don't worry, it's just for fun. I'll show you something and ask, what is this? I'll give you a moment to think, and then we'll say the answer together. Ready? First one. What is this? It's what we use to wash our hands. It's soap. Did you get it right? Great. Okay, next one. What is this? We use it to brush our teeth. It's a toothbrush. Excellent work. Here's another one. What is this? We can take a nice, long bath in it. It's a bathtub. You're so smart. Do you like my little yellow rubber duck? How about this one? What is this? That's right. This is a shower. Do you like to sing in the shower? I sure do. Oh my goodness, what is this? We use it to dry ourselves after a shower. Do you remember what it's called? Yes, that's right, a towel. Wonderful. You did great on the quiz. Wow, we learned so many new words today. Let's do a quick review of everything we saw in my bathroom. I'll say the word, and you can say it right after me. Ready? Let's go. Soap, shampoo, towel, toothbrush, toothpaste, sink, bathtub, shower, faucet. You learned all of them. That's incredible. Thank you so much for exploring my tiny bathroom with me today. It was so much fun having you here. Keep practicing your new words, and I hope to see you again soon for another adventure. Goodbye, friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in our next fun English video.